Hayi bo bafethu ngiyawakhumbula ama-team ayenoPuma ayedlala le kwi-Club World Cup. UKid Super wenza i-deal with iPuma ukuthi enze ama-jezi for ama-teams azodlala kwi-Club World Cup. Lapho khona sabona ama-team ahlukahlukene siwabona edlala ngama-jezi amahle lapha kwi-Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns, I think neDortmund nayo was one of the teams eyenza amajezi amasha ukuthi bayodlala le kwi-Club World Cup. Amajezi ayimahle kakhulu-ke bafethu. Ngangitshela ukuthi mina iMamelodi Sundowns isinalo ijezi ezolisebenzisa for le season entsha. Isinalo ijezi ezolisebenzisa for le season entsha. Kanti cha, nazi indaba ziyaphuma bafethu kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns with uKid Super, not uKid Super man, uKid Super. Yabo amajezi abo sebawahlisile iprice. So ijezi nje ungalithola for 60% on all jerseys akhona eKid Super mfethu. Ungalithola nje ijezi 60% off. Iprice kwaku 2400 manje seku 1250. So ungayisevela u700 wakho. Ngayibuza ukuthi hawo shuthi Sundowns izodlala ngama home jerseys awu2 kule season because not ama home jerseys awu2 per se, but leli jerseys leli they only wore it 2 times. They wore it against the Dortmund and the Fluminense. So ngeke basaphinde baligqoke. It was a limited edition sort of jersey. Yabo. So mungazi ulithola le jersey mumlandeli weSundowns ungahamba uyolithenga. But ke angizeli uzokhuluma le jersey. Ngixakekile ngempela ukuthi okay, uma iSundowns idedela leli jersey leli iliphi ijezi olisebenzisa? Hayibo, ngibonile kuthiwa ijezi leSundowns elisha lilikhiwe. Ijezi elisha leSundowns lilikhiwe ngeke badlale ngaleli jezi kule season entsha yeBetway Premiership ezoqala. Ngeke badlale ngaleli jezi kwiChampions League. Ijezi elisha sha leSundowns lizo revealwa soon. But mina ngisitholile isithombe ade circulator la. Yabo circulate isithombe ngasithola ngathi no man, iPirates nayo lalikhwe lawo ngayishaya ivideo. Lalikho ijezi leKaizer Chiefs ngayishaya ivideo. Awuse ngiyishaye ivideo ngejezi leMamelodi Sundowns elilikhiwe. Yabo nali bafethu ijezi leMamelodi Sundowns elilikhiwe. This is the home jersey yeMamelodi Sundowns engenzeka bayigqoke njoba le season izoqala nje. Njoba nilibona bafethu ijezi labo. To be honest, I was really happy to see Mamelodi Sundowns igqoka leli jezi elenziwe uKid Super because it was something new. It was something new, something fresh, something ekade sagcina ukuyibona kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Something creative. Yabo mhlawumbe ungasho njalo something creative. Even the away jersey they wore le blue, it was really good. Yabo manje it's like it's the copy and paste, bro. When I see this jersey njalo, it's like a copy and paste. It's the same template. Kushintshe nje laphana basusu blue bafaka green bafaka izinto la emaceleni. It's the same template. Azikho izinto eziningi ezihlukile. But when I look at this jersey, look how creative it is. Look at the patterns. Look at the texture. You can see mfethu uthi no man, umuntu owenza leli jersey wehleli phansi walicabangela ngempela. But leli linye mfethu is the same thing esijwayele ukuyibona each and every season. It's like the way they win ama-league. Into vele esijwayele ukuyibona. But ke kule season iPirates izoshintsha izinto. But sibuyele kulama jersey mfethu. Ungangitshela lapho ukhetha liphi ijezi as umlandeli weSundowns? Ubufuna ukuthi iSundowns iqhubeke naleli jersey noma izodlala ngaleli? Because it is rumored ngempela ukuthi lona jersey leli lizosetshenziswa iSundowns. Ungangitshela ama comments fethu iliphi ijezi elihle leli noma leli? Between the two jerseys, which jersey deserve to be the new jersey Mamelodi Sundowns? But again, it looks like this jersey vele ngibasebenzise ayaphela kama jersey bafethu. Leli jersey ngophinda ulibone. So umlandeli weSundowns, I advise you to go and buy this jersey uyigcinele wena. I'm sure abantu abaningi in the future will want to buy this jersey sebengasawabona ezitolo because azophela. Njoba ezophela nje ngiyaphinda inzilo bafethu. Ngiyan-advise hambani uyothenga leli jersey. It's a limited edition type of jersey this one. Uzoyisola ngempela masephelile. iSundowns izoqhubeka indayisele lama jersey lawo. Izoqhubeka indayisele lama jersey lawo. It's the same jersey each and every season. It's like I make this video each and every season. Last year I made this video about the Sundowns ikhipha ijezi elilodwa. Ngale season I made a video about the Sundowns ikhipha ijezi elilodwa. Angazi kuze kushintshe nini, but ke ngangitshela ama comments bafethu, how do you feel about this new Mamelodi Sundowns kit?